We are a tech company and also an educational company. We started in 2018. I remember in Mo University, in a hostel, and we had this crazy idea with a friend that, okay, we need to set up an enterprise that provides this technological solution to society. We loved to plot. Plotting is drawing on a computer. Plotting. So we said, okay, now that we love drawing and doing a lot of design, let us call ourselves Plotus Innovation Company. We are making toys that are custom made for the CBC curriculum. So our biggest selling point is that we are making toys that are relevant also to our market, that speak our own language, interact with the environment that we are, using the books that are taught in school. Our source of material, currently we source plastics, and we source these materials from the community. We have two ways where we get plastics, and then these plastics are shredded, or another way where we get shredded plastic that has already been recycled by other players in the industry. And these plastics, we have an extruder that now melts and converts this plastic into usable products. We have a whole team of engineers who do the design. After we do the designs, we now go to another phase, which is called piloting. And in piloting phase is where we invite players in the educational sectors, who we allow them to critique our materials. And then from there we take it to the market. We take the first batches to the market. And this first batch from the market, we get reviews, especially from Facebook and Jumia. And we now use those reviews to have this continuous improvement of the learning materials. 70% of all educational materials we sell come from a direct customer, that is now B2C. It's the biggest buyer, and the rest 30% goes to schools and organizations as well. Our biggest challenge when we started off was capital. The other challenge we faced were regulations. For example, a technology or an engineering firm has to be registered by so many bodies. Socially, we are having a very, very big impact, especially when I look at the people who we have employed directly and indirectly. First, KCIC took us through a rigorous training process. And through this rigorous training process, we were able even to see the loopholes that are on our business. We even had to put systems in place, CRMs, HRM systems that even KCIC paid for us, which was also very huge for us. And I think that impact has accelerated our growth greatly and increased our efficiencies. They also connected us to industry experts. They paid a lot of technical support to Egerton University. They paid technical support on our own website, and all this has contributed a lot. We are a 94% rated seller score. So such a high rating, it gives you an idea of how well our products are and how well our customers are appreciating our products. Our short-term goal is by the end of September, we want to be having a sale of around 1.5 to 2 million a month. Our long-term goal is to have over 100 different products within the next 2-3 years, which will make us a big player and have a lot of impact on the educational sector.